What's going on YouTube? Today we are going to learn how to play Calypso by Bryson Tiller. This is off of his forthcoming album called Bryson Tiller, and this is a preview of what it's going to sound like. Her body like Calypso, the way she throwing that back, I'ma leave with my fit so. I love it when you get low. I slide my hand on your back, on your tats when you get those. But smart, she move her hips though. Already knew you were bad, but I act like I didn't know. 902, know the zip code. There's a party in my bed, can I send you the info? So as you can see, you're gonna need a capo on the 4th fret. Everything that I explained is relative to the capo. There's really only 3 chords that you need to know for the entire song. The 3 chords are B minor 7, E minor 7, and A major 7. And this is how you play the chords. Alright guys, here we are. First chord is a B minor 7. We're going to bar the 2nd fret and we're going to put our fingers on the 3rd fret of the B string and the 4th fret of the D string, and it's going to sound like this. Okay, second chord you need to know is E minor 7. We're just putting our finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. It's going to sound like this. And the 3rd chord you need to know is an A major 7. So we're going to put our fingers on the 1st fret of the G string and the 2nd fret of the D and the B string, and it's going to sound like this. So if we think of it in 4 counts, it'll be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. So in terms of the strumming / plucking pattern, you can do this. Down, up, you, down, up, down, down. Down, up, you, down, up, down, down. Down, up, you. Down, up, you, down, up, you, down, up, down, down. Okay, and then also sometimes I like to just pluck the 4 middle strings. So okay, I like to do that if you're actually gonna sing the song, so you can hear your voice more. But yeah, and if you figure out another way to strum or pluck the strings, go ahead and do that. It's up to your discretion and your style, but that is how you play the song. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Hopefully it added value to you and helps you out in some sort of way. I appreciate you guys tapping into this. If it did help you out, please go ahead and comment down below, like this video, and share it with somebody that wants to learn this song. And please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you want more tutorials like this. And while you are here, there's going to be some videos that are going to pop up on the screen right now. Go ahead and check out some of my other videos, and I will see you guys on the next one.